Slideshow and interactive kiosks. In the first module of this e-learning, we have seen what a slideshow and an interactive kiosks are. A slideshow is a mode that only shows graphics to the user, with no possibility to interact. While the interactive kiosk mode, as the name suggests already, provide the possibility to interact with the graphics. In this video, we are going to learn how to configure them. Let's start from the Slideshow Kiosk. First, select the location where the kiosk presentation should be placed. In our example, it's on the air handling units level. Go to Tools, Configure Kiosks, and select Add. Give it a meaningful name. We recommend to add the word kiosk so that it can be easily recognized. Select Slideshow and define if you want to set it for this specific equipment or for equipment like this. Then indicates from where it is supposed to be available, like, in this case, the site level. Click Next and confirm. Next step is to edit the kiosk presentation. Here we can edit the properties, like the name or the level where it is available, if necessary. Now we are going to add slides, where we can define the graphic we want to display. Select the target. If there are more, then continue with Next. Select a second page with the same workflow. In our example, we just select another style for the same air handling unit plant. Last step is to activate the graphic. So go to Tools, Enable Disable Graphics, and select the kiosk presentation. Now the kiosk can be started and monitored. Let's see now how to create an interactive kiosk. A good example for an interactive kiosk would be the room operator widget graphic. So first, select the location where the kiosk should be placed. In our example, we would like to place it on the top level. Go to Tools, Configure Kiosks, and Add. Give it a meaningful name, then select Interactive Graphic and continue with Next. Confirm with the message with OK. Go back to Tools, Configure Kiosks, and Edit. Select the kiosk to be edited and click on Edit. Now select where the kiosk should be displayed. In our example, we just want to place it only on the top level. Then, select the graphic which should be displayed in this interactive kiosk. In our example, it would be Sample Room Operator Portrait, which was already previously enabled. And then select the target for this graphic, which is our room. Confirm then with Apply. Last step is to activate the kiosk graphic. So, Tools, Enable Disable Graphics, browse and select the new kiosk and apply. The kiosk is now activated and can be started. Confirm by clicking in the hand symbol area, and now it's available for operation. For example, decreasing the temperature or switching the operating mode into economy. To exit the kiosk presentation, since we are currently logged into a web browser, it would be enough to press Escape from our keyboard. However, we don't recommend to open a kiosk graphic from browser. They are supposed to be used on touch panels, from where it is possible to close by performing a tap on the left top corner, and then the right bottom corner, and type in username and password of the user who launched the kiosk, the administrator, in our specific case. Then sign in again.